Fighter Share Report. We live here with the good fella, Mr. Perella. Sir, how you doing?
Good, man. How you doing?
I'm doing all right. So this is my first time laying eyes on you, man. I heard good things about you, so I had to come check you out for myself, and I must say you did impress, sir.
Thank you, man. That's what it's all about, man. Putting in crazy work in the gym. Coming here, there's a bunch of prospects out here. This is the kind of work that we all need, man. This is how we're all going to grow and climbing up that ladder, man. This is what it's all about right here.
Absolutely. Now, coming from Fort Myers, I must say, other than the Willis brothers, I don't know anybody else that's done come out of there. So I'm happy to see that you represent for Southwest Florida.
Yes, sir, man. There's never been like a real legit world champion come out of Fort Myers, and I'm looking to be that first one. That and much more, man. I'm ready to put the city on the map. Even more than I already have, man. So I'm keep climbing that ladder and get more KOs to the top.
Absolutely. Now, what's on the horizon for you? You got a date coming up?
I don't have a date, but I do have, you know, an opponent lined up, another prospect, undefeated, high knockout ratio. I'm not going to mention any names just yet until it comes out, man, but it's going to be a great prospect versus prospect fight. I'm looking forward to it, man. This is what I need to get to that next echelon, up the ladder, man, to the top 10.
Absolutely. So, I think your record's 13-0, right?
13-0, 12 knockouts.
12 knockouts.
Yes, sir.
Impressive. Okay, so what is your forte? What are you good at, or are you just good at everything?
My forte is my forte. My strength, my speed, my fluidity, my boxing intelligence. Just all around, man. I'm looking to be a complete fighter, a great fighter. That's what I'm striving towards. Every single day, man, I'm just looking at my weaknesses until they become my strengths. You know what I mean? I don't wait till a training camp date to pop up. I'm always in the gym. I'm always working. Absolutely.
Now, can you explain a little bit what the regimen is like for a guy like you? You're a pretty big guy. You don't look like you're at 47, but I know that's obviously your weight class. Is making weight and cutting weight a challenge for you?
No, making weight's very easy for me, actually. Very scientific process. Me and my team sat down. We have a very good weight cutting regimen, and it comes off easy, man. And I rehydrate the next day. I'm like a monster in there, man. I feel great, so it's no problem, man. As far as the work goes, it's grueling, day in and day out. As soon as I open my eyes to when I close my eyes, that's what I'm working.
Okay. Now, how long have you been fighting, champ?
I've been fighting since I was about 12 years old. I had an amateur record of 70-9. Been in numerous national tournaments, and I fought in Olympic trials. So I got a good amateur pedigree, man. And you know, 13 fights as a pro.
So my last question for you now: coming up in Florida, where football rules everything. When you were coming, you was in the gym boxing. Your friends probably on the football field or the baseball diamond. What was that like?
Oh man, well, when I got in the boxing team, I was the only white kid in there getting beat up by everybody. You know what I mean? I had the hard way up. You know, every day, man, I was like, damn. Everybody's telling me maybe I should pick another sport. You know, maybe play some pinball or something, you know what I mean? But I just stuck with it, man. Persevered and kept going, man, and made the fighter I am today. But Florida has a lot of great fighters, man. You know, maybe not so much as the other states, but I mean, we got Roy Jones, Andre Berto, Antonio Tarver. I mean, the list goes on. Keith Thurman, just goes on and on. I'm looking to be another fighter from Florida, another great fighter.
Well, I definitely appreciate your time, champ. We're gonna be following you, man. Godspeed. Good luck, and thank you for the interview.
Yes, sir. Thank you, and God bless.